fish.
On the other side of the boat now. Each got one here now. It's pretty cool. Still flopping? Mark this spot on the fish finder.
Oh, it's already been marked.
Now he was playing with that one a little bit.
2.5 years ago.
Now he was playing with that one.
That one didn't bite.
I pulled it up and let it back down, and I got him the second time around. So just getting close here. Hey, Blake, where were you, in China?
Yeah.
Were you fishing in China? Nothing down there yet. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Whoa! Fish on there! Another one! Whoo!
It's on the same video?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Nice.
Action is hot today.
Get off of me, baby.
There it is, man. Okay.
Oh, he's pissed. Get out of here.
I hope I don't get one on my line. Oh.
Where did the thing go? I think he went in there.
He's waiting for you.
Yeah, he's inside.
He's sitting on your fish finder in there.
He probably did. Either that or he stayed underneath.
How's that one feel? A little tired?
Trying to find a place to put this damn rod.
You want to try salmon fishing?
I'm giving up on the halibut till we get our limit then.
Well, I have my limit, but
That's true, you do.
it's a fun catch.
Care for that extra bowl of Wheaties about now? One of yours is a flopper there, buddy. There we go.
What's that one?
He's a floppy.
Proper.
He wants to go back home. All right, did it, man, did it. Whew.
I think
Yeah.
yours is out of bait.
Probably. I've been so busy filming. Okay.